Every Friday night the engines start to roll, from Sacramento roads to St. Paul in the cold. Black jackets, faded jeans, laughter in the air, pathing on the highway because the people need them there. At weddings they are lifting tables through the rain. At funerals they carry sorrow, helping families through the pain. At New Year they cook and clean long after midnight fades, giving all they have for the community they helped raise. Not doctors with degrees, not men behind tall walls, but brothers with tired hands still answering every call. Oh, Pab Thas sons of sacrifice, spending paychecks, sleepless nights, driving coast to coast for family and friends, holding long tradition together again. But whiskey in the cup became a silent war, gout inside the bones while they still gave more. Strong for everybody, weak when alone, the community's pillars slowly turning into stone. One week in Fresno, next week Wisconsin snow, then a funeral in Caroline, because respect means you still go. Hundreds of miles, little sleep, another case of beer, laughing through the body pain they hide from everyone near. Their wives keep waiting at home through another endless night. Children barely see them underneath the neon lights. Still they show up first whenever tragedy appears, carrying other people's burdens year after year. The dance floor kept them young, the alcohol kept them numb, until the knees and swollen feet could no longer outrun time. Oh, Pab Thas sons of sacrifice, spending paychecks, sleepless nights, driving coast to coast for family and friends, holding long tradition together again. But whiskey in the cup became a silent war, gout inside their bones while they still gave more. Strong for everybody, weak when alone, the community's pillars slowly turning into stone. Raise a glass of water now, not another round tonight, because the strongest men must also learn to save their life. The community still needs them breathing, standing proud, not broken by the bottle, beneath the music loud. Oh, Pab Thas, guardians of the road, carrying culture like a heavy load. From California lights to Minnesota snow, your loyalty is something every family knows. May the next generation remember what you gave, the weekends, the miles, the strength and pain, and may the drums still echo when the dancing ends. For the Pab Thas who gave their lives to the people and their friends.